bag is for Team Bella and Team Medwold. Okay. And that's everything. That represents the Honeymoon and Leo, and that's the Police Devil. Yep, and yep. And these are Leo masks, even though it's Mardi Gras, but we couldn't find Leo stuff. Though, the necklaces are from Dollar Tree too. And that's for Team Vampires, that's for Team Vampires. And and this is Kevil's cup. And she's on Team Jacob. Yep, and yep. This is Team Bella and Edward stuff. This is for the Stink Nelly. Way down there, Team Edward stuff. Team Jacob stuff. And this is the cups. These are the cups. And that's for Team Vampires / Team Voltilli. Yep, and yep. And these are the pins that we bought at Mammoth. So let's go put them inside. Okay, let's go. Pin delivery. Oh, Bex, this is yours. And we're buying a little tie for your necklace to put it on. Oh, thank you, Willis. Oh, you're welcome. And Delian, you can put yours on your jackets. Motorcycling jackets. Cool, thank you. You're welcome. And this is gonna be mine. And also, I'm gonna buy a ribbon for me too. And the fourth one is for Hevel, because he likes little wolves. Oh, heck yeah, he does. Oh, heck yeah, he does. So I gotta get going. Bye and bye.